Hey, if you are using VizMaker together with 3ds Max, we've got some great news. 3 new buttons have been just added to the toolbar and they're going to speed up your workflow significantly. Let's walk through each one of them. Let's start with a button you already know, Send Viewport to VizMaker. It sends the current viewport from 3ds Max straight to VizMaker. The first new option is Instant Render with VizMaker. Click the button and that's it. The viewport is automatically sent to VizMaker and image generation kicks off right away with no extra steps needed, no manual configuration, the render starts itself. And this is perfect when you want a quick preview, for example when testing lighting or checking a camera angle. One click and you have got your results. Next up is Batch Render with VizMaker. Once you click it and you will see a list of all the cameras in your 3ds project. You can select any combination, just one, a few, or all of them at once. Select the cameras you want to render and load them into VizMaker. Each one will be treated as a separate shot. And there is also an extra option here. You can enable instant render for the entire batch. This means that as soon as the cameras are loaded into VizMaker, image generation will start automatically for each one of them. Instead of handling each camera manually one by one, you send a whole set and wait for the result. A huge time saver on bigger projects with multiple shots. And the last new option is render settings. This is where you configure exactly how instant render behaves. First, you choose an AI engine that will generate the images. You can pick whichever model works best for your particular project. Second, the prompt. This is where you describe the style, mood or materials you want VizMaker to take into account during generation. A good prompt makes all the difference. There is also a Show Save Frames option. It enables save frame guides in the viewport so you know exactly what will be included in a shot. And finally, there is a viewport optimization option for export to VizMaker. It automatically adjusts the 3ds Max view to minimize potential errors during image generation. Definitely worth keeping enabled, especially on more complex scenes. Set it once, and these settings will be used every time you use instant render. And there is one more new feature, this time directly inside the VizMaker viewport. It is called Create a Group and it's all about keeping your workspace organized. You click the button, drag the group frame over the nodes you want to include and that's it, they are grouped, no extra steps. You can resize the group window freely, make it bigger or smaller depending on how many nodes are inside. You can also change the color of each group, which makes it really easy to visually separate different parts of your project at a glance. And if you want to make sure a group doesn't accidentally get moved around, you can lock it in place, everything stays exactly where you put it. Whether you're working on a single scene or managing a complex project with dozens of nodes, Group will help you keep everything clean and under control. If you haven't tried VizMaker yet, here is your sign. We are handing out 100 free credits to every new user. That's up to 100 full renders, absolutely free. Dive in, experiment and see what's possible with zero risk and zero cost. Claim your free credits and start rendering today.